Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I'm Nilesh, and in this video we'll continue to learn about time in Pandas. Specifically, we'll look at how to create date ranges, how to create a business date range, and then look at examples of different types of inbuilt frequencies we can use. And we'll end the video by a method which we can use to create custom frequencies that also takes care of holidays. So here in Jupyter notebook, I've created this cell where we are importing three libraries: NumPy, Pandas, and datetime. And the first item that we'll look at is creating date range. Now the start will specify the start date. So start date would be a timestamp pd dot timestamp, and this can be a string. So specify 2020-07-13, and then the end date, again a timestamp pd dot timestamp. This could be 2020, so 13, that's today, it's a Monday. So I'm gonna go all the way up to 20, so that's the next Monday. So that's the date. We have start and end date. Now to get the range, we would type pd.date underscore range start and end. So that's the simplest way where we get the date range here. And now we can get the business date range. So pd.date underscore pd.b date underscore range, that's the business date, and we specify start and end. So as you can see, we get 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18, 19 is not there, Saturday, Sunday, and then we are back for Monday, that's 20. We can check that if we get the last one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we get the 5, so that's the date. Now if we get day of week, it's a 0, which means that it's a Monday. Now similar to this, what we can do is use periods. If I copy this, paste it here, and specify periods is equal to, let's say, 10, then what we get in the output are 10 data points in that particular start to end range. And similar parameter, we can pass it to the business data as well. So here if we specify both the start and end with period, we get this error. So of the 4 parameters, start, end, and start, end, periods, and frequency, 3 must be specified. So what we can do is we can remove the end and then run this. So now we have 10 periods starting from the start date, which goes all the way up to 24. Moving on, let's now look at few frequencies and how those could be useful. So using frequencies new, so here we use default frequencies. So start, again we'll use pd.timestamp 2020-07-13, and then or let's change this now. Because we are using month, I'm gonna stick to 0101, and the end timestamp pd.timestamp, this could be maybe a year later, so 2021-01-01. So those are the timestamp, my mistake. Okay, so now if we create the date range, so pd.date underscore range, and here if we specify the start and end, so start, end, frequency is equal to 1 month. So what we see here is 01, 02, 03, 04, all the way up to 12. Now we can change the 1 month to a different frequency. So let's say if we want to change this to business, so if you type BQS, what that tells is it's the business quarter start. So when we run this, we get 01, 04. So the start date for each quarter. January for the first, April, then we have July, then October, and then this is for the next year. Apart from this, there are several other methods. We'll look at only few of those. Some of them you probably already know. We'll look at the week. So this gives the weekly frequency, W. Then if you type M, we already looked at this. This is monthly frequency. If you type SM, that gives semi-monthly frequency. So it's 2 times in a month, so bi-weekly sort of. And then if you specify BM, so this is like a business month end. So end of each month. So instead of the first of the month, we are looking at 31st or the 30th or 20th of the month. And we can also get quarter. So again, this could be this is the quarter end frequency. So the BQS or the start frequency. So I'm guessing if you type S in front of Q, we get the start frequency. Yes. And apart from this, there are a couple that you already know. If you type H, we get the hourly frequency. Then if you type minute, we get minute by minute frequency. Type S, capital S, then that's seconds. It took a while to get that. There's a lot of data. Then again you have nanoseconds and you have microseconds. So those are the ways in which we can change the frequency by using the custom built frequencies in Pandas. Now what about a situation where you want to create a custom frequency? So custom frequency, and this use case of this could be a situation where let's say you are not working looking at data where people are not working for the entire day, entire week. Maybe they work only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and let's say there are special holidays for that company, so those need to be accounted for. So for that we can use custom frequency, and the way we specify for that is I'll comment this. So frequency is equal to capital C, so that tells that it's a custom frequency. Now to make this work, we first have to create a week mask, and let's say we are looking at just Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So we create a string for that, and then holidays, I'm considering only this current week when I'm recording this video, so I'm gonna put one of the date from this week as a holiday, and let's say it's the 16th, so 2020-07-16. So let's put that as a holiday. What's the mistake? Timestamp. Oh, that's okay. Now we'll create the start date. So pd.timestamp, and this again would be 2020-07-13, and then I'm gonna go ahead and create an end time. So pd.timestamp, and this could be the next Monday, coming Monday. So that's the 20th. My mistake again, timestamp. So we can now create a variable x where we will state the business date underscore range, which will use the start date and end date we specified above with a frequency is equal to capital C. Here we'll specify week mask is equal to week mask, and we'll specify holidays is equal to holidays. Now when we run this, we get output where we have only Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. The way we can check that is by looking at the day of week. So day of week, for the first day it's a 0, which means it's a Monday, and the second one is a Tuesday, third one is again forgot the 2, so third one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then the last one in this case is a Monday. So the days in middle are all skipped because those were either weekend holidays or a special holiday for the 16 that we mentioned above. In contrast to this, if you create just the basic date range start to end and look at the output, you'll see that this does contain everything because the frequency here is by day. So we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 all the way up to 20th. So all days are included. That was it for this video. I hope in this video you've learned how to create date ranges using the pd.timestamp, how to create business date ranges, and also how we can use the frequency parameter to create a variety of frequencies such as month, quarters, business quarter, business days, and the regular that we have seen a lot, which is hours, minutes, seconds, all the up to nanoseconds. And interestingly, we also looked at how to create custom frequencies as well. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you all in the next video where we'll learn more about time in Pandas. Thank you.